Hey, I'm Brandon.
Hey, this is Judd with Hot Rods and Horsepower, presented by HNH.
Judd, what is Hot Rods and Horsepower?
My wife came up with the Hot Rods and Horsepower. When we met, she was into horses. I was into cars. We sold our house, bought a farm, and when we did a farm, then we had to have a brand and a farm name. She came up with the horses and hot rods, but for the car side, it's hot rods and horsepower. The two most expensive hobbies you could have is horses and cars, and that's just how the name came.
So what are we doing here, Judd?
One, we're going to be building cars here. I have my 8 projects. Then we have our friends that we're kind of invited into around the neighborhood because I'm kind of new around here, so got to have new friends. Testing products, building things, doing car shows, going out to different events. That's basically what we're trying to accomplish, really.
Yeah. And we're going to get it all on camera.